Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am going to do some stovetop cooking for you guys on the Teba. This is the TKS-19 three-sided panoramic cook stove. I just turned the stove back up and opened up the damper controls. I had to turn it back down, and actually dampering my stove back down and popping the door open dropped my oven temperature from 650 degrees all the way down to 375, like pretty quickly, within about 5 minutes or so. So that's good to know. It's got nice tight airflow. You can definitely obtain those lower oven temperatures if you wanted to bake, cakes, pies, etc. Inside the oven, I do have my oyster. I am waiting for that to pop open. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and cook up some pancakes on the stovetop. Even just cooking, having one of these little laser thermometers is super nice because you can read the temperature here. So my cast iron pan is actually only at about 250 degrees right now. So it's not quite as hot as I want it for my pancake. The cooktop underneath is sitting at about 312, 315 degrees. So my pan is still about 100 degrees less than the cooktop. I am going to let it heat up just another minute before I pour that pancake batter onto the pan. Today I have this tasty pumpkin batter pancakes that I'm going to make. I have got my Teba fired up. Cooking and baking is going to be a little bit different. You'll notice how my fire is built right now, where I have the logs pointing up. That's going to be the quickest way to get your oven up to temperature. If you want your cooktop hot, right, then you need a really hot oven. If you are baking something like a cake, a bread, something like that at a lower temperature, then it's nicer to keep your logs kind of more horizontal down across the bottom so that your baking oven is not getting excessively hot. But then corresponding your cooktop's only going to be like 250 to 300 degrees. Usually on a stacked cook stove, your cooktop is going to range about 50 degrees on average, less than whatever your oven temperature is that you are baking at. So that's a pretty good rule of thumb. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to pour my pancake batter on. I like to use a lid. Alright, I'm going to cover it up and show you guys once it's cooking. It should be about approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side of the pancake. It does not look like I am quite bubbling yet, so I'm going to go ahead and cover it back up. Alright, we're going to take a look at the pancake. Ooh, she bubbling, I think. It is about ready to flip. Okay, my pancake is ready to flip. So, yes. Perfect! Perfect pancake. Alright, great. So, yeah, the Teba works excellent to cook up a pancake. Fire's beautiful. Baking went very nice. I'm super impressed with the stove. I can't wait to burn and test some of the other Teba models. Here's my pancake. Look at how beautiful it is. It's a pumpkin pancake, so it's kind of orange. And oh, they're tasty. Yum. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my cooking video today with the pumpkin pancakes. If you guys like my videos, don't forget, give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys again for your continued loyal support. If you have recipe ideas, drop them in the comments. I do read them. God bless. Have a wonderful day.